didn't know, there is a group of volunteers who go around litter picking the beach and also like the seafront and stuff. Great that there is people out there who want to help and make the town look pretty and nice for people to come, you know, because if it looks good and people like it, they're going to keep coming back, they're going to keep spending in the local town and keep the economy up. So we're just going to go over there because that's where we're meeting. So today we're doing a beach clean and we're meeting at the Arm and a Lie. We can see who turns up, and then I think we're just going to go like down the prom and see what rubbish we can get hold of. So yeah, just keep watching guys, and enjoy the video. So we're just on our way and I think I can see some of the volunteers. Here they are. It's not getting in the way of the pictures, eh?
I do always blink.
So we've walked over towards Burnbeck, and we're going to start doing here and then follow the coast around and then go along the prom. There she is. Head litter picker. So thanks to Weston Super Rocks for giving us some rocks to place whilst we're out litter picking. Some really good stuff, guys. Whoever's painted these done a fantastic job. I'm going to put mine here. So this one is mine. Love where you live. And I'm going to put it here. So if you don't know what Weston Super Rocks is, check it out on Facebook, and you get to paint rocks and you place them in places, post a picture. So we're at the Grand Pier, and we think this is going to be a good spot to hide one of the rocks, don't we guys? So should we hide it in this corner? We'll hide it here, yeah?
That's my one.
So after collecting, I think it was like 5-6 whole bags of rubbish, I'll just turn the camera around. The fantastic people at the bay, which is at the Tropicana on Weston Super Seafront, has offered to give us some refreshments for our hard work. So thank you very much guys for doing that. So we was expecting maybe a slice of cake or something, but look at all this delicious food. Some Scotch eggs look amazing. Loads of cakes. What do you reckon? That's good, isn't it? Sorry, let's get out your way, go on.
Look at just thinking as well.
Hello.
So we've had a fantastic day, you know, well, a few hours doing some litter picking. If people want to get involved, what do they need to do?
Oh, we're on Facebook and we're on Instagram. Just pop in Sophie's Super Litter Picking and you'll find us. We host events at least once a month, and you'll always see us out and about with our pickers as well.
Awesome. So get involved guys, and you know, let's keep Weston clean and tidy.
Exactly, putting the super back into Weston Super Mare.
I like that. Super back into Super Mare, yes.